Here in Moore, South Carolina, we are proud of our brand. Because we are proud, we defend it. Our defense starts with our mentality, which is when we walk through these doors each morning, it is with the intention of making our best better for our customers. For this reason, I could not be happier or more proud to be part of the Takeuchi team.
I've been at Takeuchi for 2 years. It has changed tremendously. I first came in the door, we was sweeping. What makes me proud to work here is I feel valued. Value is a big thing for me. And just coming to work every day, seeing my team members chip in, teamwork, and do what we gotta do to make these units.
I've been working with Takeuchi around like a year already. And actually, one of the things that make me proud to be working with these guys is the mentality and communication. I feel like they're part of my family. They're friends, and we all make a pretty good team together. Yeah, we're like a family, a work family, and everybody is doing an awesome job.
And what makes me more proud of being here is just the aspect of us being a team and working together and striving to become good employees, not as well good employees, but move ourselves up to management.
I've been with Takeuchi for 1.5 years. I started as an employee in the warehouse, and now I am in the Department of Procurement. Takeuchi fosters an environment where hard work and dedication is truly cherished and valued.
I've been at the Moore plant for right at 3 years, and when I got here, there was nothing here. The growth on the floor is that we've got conveyors. What makes me the most proud for working for Takeuchi is learning different stuff, and the management appreciates us, and everybody works together.
We're still excited that this facility in Moore, South Carolina is our first manufacturing facility outside of Japan. The crew and team here have done a tremendous job in increasing our production and making changes that make us much more efficient and are able to deliver track loaders to the customers more rapidly than ever before. The production here has also allowed us to increase our capacity worldwide, and we're looking forward to the changes that come in the future.